CUET, that is Common University Entrance Test, right? So in CUET, you know that we can pursue our BSc, BA and such things, undergraduate courses in Central University, State University, deemed universities and private universities, right? So you can see that this NTA is conducting this Common University Entrance Test, CUET, at different centers located 554 cities across India and 13 cities outside the India, right? So till now we can see 9,50,804 candidates have been registered, right? And they have given the dates for the exam. CBT means computer based test. It will be online test, and test will be conducted on 15th 7 means it will be July, 15th July, 16th July, 19th, 24th August, 5th August, 6th, 7th August, 8th August and 10th August. So these will be the exam dates. A detailed notification you will get it. You have to follow the website, there you will get it. But see here they have given one more notification. This is about exam dates when the CUET exam will be conducted. It will be conducted in July and August, and date are given here. And one more notification is, since it is only exam for entry into Central University system, right? So you know that after PUC, that is second year, we can enter into State University and Central University. State University, through percentage of our second year we can enter, but to enter this Central University we should go through this exam, only this exam, CUET, right? Only exam for entering into Central University system UG courses. The registration is once again being opened for one last time and the demand of candidate, right? So this is the only way to enter into Central University. So because of that demand, candidates demand, they have opened the same website again. So those who haven't registered can again register for this CUET, and this is the last chance, one last time they have told, right? So this is the website you can follow. I will give this link in this video, as well as if I put this in the community section, there I'll supply this online this link, right? So according to registration and correction, right? So some people will register, those who haven't registered they need to apply, those can apply, and some corrections will be there, like you can correct that cities chosen and all. So for them also it has been opened, and the schedule is, starting date of registration and correction is 23/6/2022, 9 a.m. onwards. That is today is 23, right? 9 a.m. you can register or you can correct from 9 a.m. onwards, right? And end date, it is tomorrow, that is 24, that too within 11:50 p.m. 11:50 p.m. will be around night 11:50 p.m., right? So this is the timing. So within this 2 days, 23, today and tomorrow, you have to register. If you haven't registered, if any correction is there, you can correct, right? And correction in the online application form as per Nexture 1, right? And so this is nothing but they have given this, right? This you have to read it, brochure, you should be having it, right? If you don't have, you can go to the website, right? So this is the website, NTA, everything. These two website, if you follow, you will get to know, right? So this is about this CUET exam dates and once again registration, right? And correction in the application form of CUET 22 exam candidate who have already registered. So those who have already registered, they can't correct this one, mobile number, email ID, permanent address number, this they can't correct. Only they can correct this anyone, like a candidate shall be allowed to change any one of the field, like these things you can change anything, like photograph you can change, signature if it is not clear you can change, right? 10th 12th, so these things can be changed, and the above things they can't be changed, right? So they have mentioned this clearly in this notification. I hope this video is helpful. So here you have seen the exam dates. Next you have seen those who haven't registered, they have got one more chance to register, that is today and tomorrow. And those who need to correct, they can correct. So these the three things it has been provided in this notification. Thank you.